blocking like half the camera. Your brain's about as big as a banana. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Mountain Creek vlog. Woo! Today, Dan's not wearing his seatbelt.
No.
Safety first. Safety never takes a vacation. Yeah, it is a wonderful Friday morning after a night of sub-freezing temperatures. So hopefully Creek has been blowing. And yeah, we're about to head up there. Mountain Creek vlog, baby. What up, people? What's up? We're up at Creek. It's insanely busy. Like, I haven't seen it this busy in a while.
Hey, buses.
There's a ton of people. I heard while in the lift line that there's some races going on Bear. It's been going on since earlier this morning. Hopefully these people clear out. Beautiful day on the mountain though, can't complain. Blue skies, sun is out. It's currently getting warmer. Hopefully everything's nice. Let's get to it.
I haven't blinked. Oh.
The wind. Imagine blinking, lol. Yeah, no wearing goggles. All right, guys. I don't have anything important to say except for the fact it's Schwarm out. Schwarm. It's shredder weather. We schwipped down. We're shredding with Cole and Joe as well, the boys. Anyway, yeah, but it's hoodie season, as you can tell. We're going back to the video now. Does it extend or is it just...
That's as far as...
Little bad boy? Alright, I got you. back to the SnowSkateShred YouTube channel. It is the end of the day. We had a fun time.
I'm sending jumps now.
I filmed Frank. Frank, if you're watching this, probably not. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, comment something interesting, and
Be positive.
subscribe if you're new here. Peace.